Pick it up, good girl. Where is it? What'd you find, Jordan? What'd you find, good girl? What do you do? And now Miss Jordan McCall and I are back home from our adventure and our divine camping trip. It was absolutely divinely amazing to experience. And outside my mystically majestic window is a cosmically beautiful gift for us all. Our beautiful sturgeon full moon tonight. And it'd be more beautiful if I could use my phone at the moment, but the storage is all full. We'll try that again. Here is our beautiful, cosmically amazing graceful moon on 8/9. I am blessed to have it right outside my window. And here's my divine soul pup, Miss Jordan McCall, as she is all nice and snuggled and ready for bed, as she is divinely tired from our camping trip.